Hello, this is Andy from Walt Motor Company in Newbury, and welcome to the sale of this 2017 registered Mazda 3. This car is the 2-litre petrol sport model with the sat nav. Very high spec car, finished in this metallic grey colour with full black leather interior. Car is a one owner car, 60,000 miles on the clock. Has been serviced predominantly with Mazda and latterly independently. All the right specification with this car. You'll see as well, looking around the outside, in really nice condition. A couple of little marks will draw your attention to, but really nothing too significant at all. The benefits outweigh the cons. Like this colour as well, suits it well. The wheels freshly refurbished, so they really do look an eyeful. Very, very clean, unmarked, no marks whatsoever. As we hop inside on the video, we'll show you all the specification for it. Xenon headlights at the front. I do like the colour, I think that's what's distracting me. Let's have a look inside. So we have the two-tone leather on the door cards with the white stitching. There you can see 4 electric windows and electric mirrors. This car also has the Bose music upgrade. Full black leather inside, electric driver memory seat. Driver seat in excellent condition. There's no wear to the bolster. All the leather looks to be in good order. They do last well inside anyway, these cars. Steering wheel leather all the way around, and again no significant wear and tear on there. All in good order. From the driver's seat of the car, we can see the mileage there on the left hand side is 60,076 miles. On the steering wheel we have the radio controls, volume controls this side, and cruise control on that side. Car has automatic wipers and automatic lights. Also has the heads-up display, which I'll try and capture. There, really nice feature. We also have colour satellite navigation, heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Climate control, his and hers controls, 2 keys, 6-speed manual gearbox. You can see everything in this in really nice order. The passenger side, passenger seat, again, very nice condition. And the door cards, dash plastics, all as they should be. If I slip the car into reverse, you'll see as well, this car has the optional rear reversing camera. So it's just about got the lot, this one. I think I mentioned Bose music, but it's got Bose music. Very nice place to be. The coloured leather theme continues on the inside of the rear doors, and into the rear seats we can see again the leather in really nice order. No significant wear or tear through there, all as it should be. And the backs of the front seats are in good condition too. Nice big boot space with the Mazda 3, all in nice condition again. All the carpets and plastics in good order, and the parcel shelf is still present. So as I mentioned earlier, all 4 wheels on this car have been refurbished, so they're spotless. I did notice, if you've got a keen eye, there's a very slight dent here, just in the front of the door. I'll try and point out, it's around here, but again, can't really notice it too badly. Don't want to spend too much time on the wheels because they're as new. There's a tiny little scratch there on the bumper. Just a couple of little marks here or there. Nothing too significant at all. So to summarise then, a 2017 registered Mazda 3, 2-litre sport nav. All the right bits and bobs, leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel, electric seat, Xenons, heads up, reverse camera, you name it. Really nice car. Car's in Newbury and Berkshire, so if you'd like to come and see it, do give me a ring. My name's Andy on 07786 742 422, and thank you for watching.